Excellent, guys. So now I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the Geo Fence in the system. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to tap Fence down at the bottom of the screen. We're going to tap where it says Geo Fence. Now we're going to go to Geo Fence Settings. Once we're in Geo Fence Settings, to be able to set up the Geo Fence, we want to tap the top option, Geo Fence. Once we get this, we need to tap the plus on the screen. Now we're going to be able to use the crosshairs to be able to locate specifically where our property is to be able to drop our markers. My blue marker is where I'm at specifically, so I want to wrap our building. So I'm going to go ahead and drop a point on the top corner, go to the next corner, go to the next corner, and again drop another point. It has to have a minimum of 3 points to be able to use the Geo Fence, but as many points to be able to customize a boundary that is needed. So again, we use a square just to show simplicity of the system. Once you have your Geo Fence set up, we're going to go ahead and hit save. And now once we save the Geo Fence, we're going to hit save again. And now at the bottom of this page, we're given the option to rename our Geo Fence, edit it, or even delete it. So if we want to rename our Geo Fence, we simply go ahead and select our Geo Fence. We're going to hit rename, and we're going to tap where it gives us the ID information right here. And we're just going to go ahead and type in our custom name. This is as simple as that. Once you do that and you hit the back area, now our system or our fence is named Fence. So once this is done, the Geo Fence is able to be used. Now we just need to select what alarms we want to use. So, do we want the alarm on? Do we want to be notified when the dog exits the fence, when they come back in, or both? And right now I want to be notified when my dogs both exit and come back in the fence. Do we want push notifications on? Yes, so we can get notifications through our lock screen. Vibrations, so the phone vibrations, and sound, so we actually get an audible sound coming from the phone telling us what the dog is doing. Again, we can set this up either as a melody or a voice.
PATHFINDER2.
And if we have that set up, we'll actually be given audible tones as what is going on with what dog. Stay tuned for proper use of the system out in the field. Again, to engage your Geo Fence, you just turn it on. We're going to have another video in just a bit to show you guys the proper use of the system. Okay guys, this is Nick showing you guys how to set up your Geo Fence. As you can see, the crosshairs on the screen is where I'm going to be dropping my markers at. I'm going to go ahead and drop 4 markers. Once I get a green area, this area is able to be used as a Geo Fence. I'm going to go ahead and save this location. Once we utilize the Geo Fence, remember it's only going to provide us notifications that the dog has left that boundary. It will not provide autocorrection. As you can see, the dog is approaching the boundary, and now I've received a notification on my phone that the dog has left the boundary. As I come back into the boundary, as you will see, the phone will provide me a notification that the dog has re-entered the boundary and no correction is provided to the dog.